All right, people, we're gonna go on a bike ride. I'm taking the 50mm on the X-E4. The 50mm is kind of like a pseudo macro lens that lets me get really close. And I'm hunting for some purple things, the trees. I don't know what they're called, but they're purple and they're beautiful. My wife and I saw them earlier, so I'm gonna get my bike ride and go take a couple photos. I've got my helmet this time too. I switched over to RAW plus JPEG because I wanted to show you guys the difference between the classic negative and like the standard modes to see how much it shifts the color on something like this. So some people might not like it. I just love the unique way it renders the world. That classic negative is pretty awesome. Going on a little bike ride like this reminds me of why I love the Fuji 50 F2 so much. It's small, it's light, it fits in the bag, especially on the X-E4, and it has incredible image quality. The rendering of the background is very smooth. I enjoy how it works, and the focus accuracy is awesome. It's always getting me the focus. I'm a firm believer of leave no trace and don't mess around with the world around you, right? Try to leave it better than when you left it with your bike riding or hiking or whatever. But if you want to like bend some branches a little bit, I think that's cool. You see that little flower right in the middle there? I'm gonna bend this so that I can frame it. I got some purple tree stuff, whatever this is called. Now it's time to just go and explore and kind of maybe get one or two more things before I have to get home and have some dinner. I think that sounds pretty good. Burn like 800 calories or so, then I can have a bigger dinner. Thumbs up. Taking a, holy cow, look at my hair. That is awesome. I look like some kind of TV show, like Star Wars alien freak. I stopped for a water break and my water went away. It flew off somewhere. So I gotta get another water. But I also wanted to say that if you haven't been on your bike or taken long walks in different parts of your city, you know, depending on your health, hopefully you're healthy enough to do that. If you haven't done that yet, you should get out and do it. I thought I knew this town, Omaha and the surrounding areas. I really did. I thought I knew all the good places to take pictures. And by the time I'm going around with my bike, I'm finding places I never even imagined before. Some really cool parts of town. So notice the details, look at something new. It's a lot of fun. And I'm gonna go that way, which is a direction. It's either north or south or east or west. And I'm gonna look over there for something new. Downtown Omaha by some public art, and I have no idea what this art is. Like, number one, my hat is not on me, right? Number two is, what does this art mean? Like, it's a bunch of hands. They're creepy hands. How many fingers do they have? They have a bunch of fingers. Looks like I'm not sure what's going on. I'm that guy in the art gallery that's pretending to know what I'm looking at, and I have no idea what I'm looking at ever. All right, friends, hope you enjoyed. It's time for me to get home. Found a couple cool spots, and now I gotta go home a little quicker just so I can eat. I'm hungry.